Hello and welcome to your NAB Trade reporting season top 3. I'm Andrew Gagan. Well, Westpac's $1.7 billion quarterly net profit has fallen 9% compared to the quarterly averages of last year. Westpac blaming the drop on hedge accounting that it says will reverse over time. Customer deposits grew to $14.4 billion and loan growth of $13.4 billion. Westpac is blaming cost of living pressures and says high interest rates remain challenging for some customers, while businesses face cost pressures and lower demand. Chief Executive Anthony Miller says the RBA could reduce the cash rate as early as tomorrow, which would provide some relief to households. BlueScope Steel's first half net profit after tax came in at $179 million, down 59% from the first half of last year. The US operations North Star Steel Mill in Ohio suffered a 65% drop in earnings to $182 million. BlueScope generating about half of its profits from the US. The company has lifted its interim dividend by 20% to 30 cents a share, despite the slump in first half profits. Chief Executive Mark Vassella is forecasting a slight improvement in underlying earnings in the second half to between $360 and $430 million, with conditions in Australia set to improve and a cost-cutting blitz likely to help returns. And there was no mention of the US tariff regime in the results release. And elsewhere, A2 Milk has upgraded its full-year guidance and declared its first interim dividend of 8.5 cents a share. A2 achieving double-digit revenue growth of 10% to close to $894 million in the first half. Chief Executive and Managing Director David Bortoluzzi says the company's infant milk formula business is bucking trends in China, achieving record label IMF market share of 5.3%. It's also gained market share in the Australian liquid milk market in its A2 Milk and A2 Milk lactose-free products. FY25 revenue growth guidance increased from mid to high single digit to low to mid double digit percentage on the prior year. Basic earnings per share rose more than 7% to 12.7 cents. And that is your NAB Trade reporting season top 3.